right, now we need to be writing down, please. So your heading, we should say worksheet 3.3. Nice and neatly underline it. Okay, number 1. 2 cities have a time difference of 3 hours. Explain how you know that the difference in their longitude is 45 degrees. Right, I want you to think about this. How did we know that there was 45 degrees? So we have a look and we say, well, 45 degrees divided by 15, because we know that each jump is 15. Each hour is 15 degrees. So we go 45 divided by 15 gives us 3. So that's how we explain it. Okay, so I want you to write that down, please. All right, 2 places have a difference of longitude of 60 degrees. What is the time difference between the places? So remember what we did the last time? We did 60 divided by 15, because every 15 is an hour's hop, and we get the answer of 4 hours. Okay. Make sure you're writing this all down. The longitude of Canberra is close to 150 degrees east, and the longitude of Taiwan is 120 degrees east. Right, so we know what we're going to do, exactly what we did here. We're going to subtract the 2, get the answer, and divide it by 15. I want you to pause me and try and do it on your own first. Right, so what is the difference in longitude between Canberra and Taiwan? So what do? We say 150, take 120, gives us 30. And then what is the time difference between Canberra and Taiwan? We take our 30, we divide it by 15, and that'll give us the hours. There we go. Equals 2. I hope that you got that. Which location, Taiwan or Canberra, is further east? So remember, there's 150 degrees east. This one is 120, so therefore Canberra is further east. Which time is it in Canberra when it is 12 noon in Taiwan? Okay, so we said, there's a 2-hour difference, okay? And we said that Canberra, what time is it in Canberra when it's 12 noon in Taiwan? Taiwan is behind us in time. So if it's 12 noon, we're already ahead of them by 2 hours. So then what is the time in Canberra? 2 o'clock. Okay, write that down, please. Make sure you're answering all these questions in your book. And remember, you can always rewind me too. When it's 7 o'clock in Canberra, what is the time in Taiwan? And remember, we're further ahead than them. We're 2 hours ahead of them. So what would the time be in Taiwan? If we were 2 hours ahead of them, what's the time in Taiwan? I want you to write that down for yourself. Okay, Bangkok in Thailand is at 15 degrees north and 100 degrees east. And Kabul in Afghanistan is at 35 degrees north and 70 degrees east. What is the time in Bangkok when it's 4 a.m. in Kabul? Okay, so first of all, we have to subtract the longitude from each other. So we're going to look at the east and we're going to look at the east. So we're going to go 100 take 70. And if you take 100 take 70, what do you get? You get 30. Okay, I want you to do that. So now we know that it's 30 degrees difference. What do we do then to work out our time? I hope you said divide by 15. Divide by 15, which gives us the hours difference. I want you to do that now. 30 divide by 15 equals. And what do you get? 2. So it's 2-hour difference. So they're saying, what time is it at Bangkok when it's 4 a.m. in Kabul? Now, which one is further east? This one's further east because it's got a higher, so Bangkok is further east. So they want to know, what time is it in Bangkok when it's 4 a.m. in Kabul? So Kabul's over here and Bangkok is even later. So then if it's a 2-hour difference, we add on 2 hours to 4 a.m. and therefore we will get 6 a.m. Hope you got that.